Hi, and welcome to Math 96. I'm your instructor, Cindy Jacobson. This video is to introduce you to the course software and to our online format. When you open up WAMAP, you will see your name on the top right, and you'll see a gear. Click on it. Verify that your information here is correct, and please give me an email address that you'll be checking. It doesn't have to be the Pierce email address, just pick one that you're going to be checking and using because this is how I'm going to communicate with you. You can also upload a picture here if you like. Click into the course. You're going to start with Start Here. The welcome to the course has a nice synopsis of how to get started. The welcome video you can click on, and I'll put it in there after I finish making it here. Getting to know you is your first assignment. You're going to post some information about your major, why are you here at Pierce, what your goals are, and any other biographical information that you'd like to give us. The syllabus and quiz, click on that. The syllabus has some embedded quiz questions in it. Go through, oh, there's my picture. Go through. Answer the questions. If you get one wrong, don't worry about it. Just go back and take another look at the syllabus and then answer the question again. Be sure to click Next Page or click on the hyperlinks on the left to go through the entire syllabus and all the questions. You want to get the whole thing done. And then you're ready for Intro to the Lessons. The intro will help you by giving you a video with the course philosophy, and you can learn a little bit more about entering your answers into the software. By the way, if you ever get into a pickle and you just don't know why you're missing an answer, maybe you've typed it in the wrong syntax, and maybe I can help you with that if you message me. I can sometimes even credit back points. So after you get through with Start Here, you can navigate using the breadcrumbs at the top, and you can go to Week 1. Notice that the deadline for Week 1 on the lessons and the assignments is the 13th of April. This is a hard and fast deadline, and the assignments disappear after that due date. So please don't start your assignments at the very last minute, because then if you have questions, there won't be time to get them answered. I'm not likely to be hanging around this software on April 13th at 11:58 at night. So it's a great idea to try to do your assignments at least a few days in advance of the due date. So we're ready. Welcome to the class. Some of you are here because you like the online format and you're ready to get going. Some of you might be here because of the COVID-19 response, and maybe you're just making the best of a difficult situation. I welcome all of you, and I really want to help you get through this quarter and help you understand what the requirements are and be able to learn some math. If you have difficulties and it isn't working to message me or email me, you can always call me, and here's my phone number. So you can text me or call me and we can make an appointment to talk on the phone, or maybe I can handle your issue by text. I want everybody to get through this quarter and be comfortable with the online format. So thank you. We're going to have a great quarter. Welcome.